Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is your friend Okeke here. So on today's video, before we proceed, I have a very simple question. Like, are you the kind of person that doesn't have the energy to grow a Facebook page, but you want to have a Facebook page and monetize it? Well, if you're that kind of person, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos like this one. Because today is a lucky day. I'll be showing you how to turn your Facebook account. Remember, I said your Facebook account into a Facebook page. So stick with me to the end of this video and make sure you smash that like button. So let's head on to the Facebook app. It's loading. Oh God, my network is bad though. Okay. It's loading. Okay, so we're on the Facebook app now. So I want you to go to your profile, your Facebook profile. So we are on the Facebook profile now. I want you to click on these three dots here. Let me show you. Click on these three dots. Not really. Notice down. Click on the three dots. And once you click on the three dots, scroll down, you see turn on professional mode. Maybe identifying these things. Turn on professional mode. Click on it. It's loading and turn on. You see, get paid for your content. Turn on professional mode. This way you can turn your profile to a page and monetize it if you upload content too. So we are turning it on. It's loading. Okay. So here you can set up your professional mode. Finish setting up your profile. You add a bio, edit cover photo, add profile, and the rest. But I won't be doing that now. The main thing is that we have turned our page to a professional. We have turned our account to a page now. But to make it look more professional like a page, add your profile, edit, add your bio, and the rest. So let me show you what we have done now. Let me just show you now. Okay. So click on these three dots again. Click on it. Click on viewers. Bam. So here we go. You see now, if people come to my profile now, this is the way they are going to see it. 3.7k followers is my bio. Then you see the button here is no longer add, it's follow. So now people can now actually follow me. They don't need to start sending me friend requests and other things. So guys, this is how to turn your Facebook account to a page. So if you got value from this video, do it to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye. See you guys in my next video.